Slope is very important when it comes to algebra. We have 4 different kinds of slopes. We have a positive slope. And if I'm looking at a drawing, I like to draw little stick figures. We have a negative slope. Here, he's not going anywhere, so we have a 0 slope. And here, unfortunately, he's not going to make it, so he's going to fall here, and we have an undefined slope. Or an undefined slope, because that little stick figure is not going to make it. The letter M represents slope. The formula is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, which really means the change in the y's over the change in the x, or we can even say the rise over the run. So we're going to look at this algebraically first. I'm going to use my slope formula, and what I like to do to start everything is I like to draw the division line with the 2 negatives. So I like to draw this and the 2 negatives. Then I look at my y's and I underline my y's, and those go on the top. -1, 3, and I just go in order. And then my x's go on the bottom, 2, -5. So when I solve this, I get -4 on the top. This becomes a plus, and I get 4/7 for my slope. The second problem. Again, I'm going to start with the negative and the 2 lines. I'm going to underline my y's, and then I'm going to put them on the top. 1, 5, 3, and 3. So this gives me -4 over 0. Underneath, undefined. And if you were ever unsure, if you put this piece right here in your calculator, it will give you an error, therefore you know you're undefined. Last one, start with my lines, underline my y values, 5 and 5 on the top, -1, -3 on the bottom. So I have 0 and 2, and 0 on top. The solution is 0. Again, if you get confused, please put it in your calculator.